Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to update the registration forms. So here from the registration website at gsusteamcamp.jumbula.com, we will see enrollments at the top. We're going to click that to open up the order history. Here you will find any of your previous orders, and you can click on the arrow to the left to open up the order. If you've registered for more than one session, you should see them here. Under the Actions column, you can click on the three dots and select Registration Form. Here we can edit the registration form by clicking on Edit, and you can change or add to the registration form here. When you are done, you would scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. Then you should see that your information has been updated successfully. If you have registered for more than one session, please make sure that you update each individual registration form. Although Jumbula has other locations where you can update your participant information, please only do so from the registration form. This concludes the tutorial on how to update your registration form. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.